When I link up with the fam, it's a PLV, PLV, PLV. Peace, love, vegan, PLV, PLV, PLV. When I link up with the fam, it's a PLV, PLV, PLV. Peace, love, vegan, PLV, PLV, PLV. Vegan Family Channel, we got recipes, mukbang gang and groceries. When I link up with the fam, you know the vibes. Let me say it one more time. When I link up with the fam, it's a PLV, PLV, PLV. Peace, love, vegan, PLV, PLV, PLV.
Hey everybody, and welcome to our channel. So today we have a quick mukbang for you guys. I'm kind of alright. So just a little rant right now. So if you don't know, we are starting a series. This series is going to be international food. So we're going to be doing like more multicultural foods. And so the other day we had picked somewhere. I'm not going to say what it was, but we picked somewhere, and you know, we thought we were filming the whole entire time, and we weren't filming.
Nope.
So I'm a little disappointed, but we will do it over again for you guys. But today we are going to be doing Japanese food. That's what we're going to be doing today. Okay. So we have some fried. Everything was in vegan. So there's only a couple things that we can get off the menu that's vegan. So we got some jasmine rice. Okay. We got some fried dumplings, vegetable dumplings. Sugar. And then we got tempura, fried tempura vegetables. So that's all we're going to be having now. And yeah, we can start. So this is going to be like Terrence's taste test. Terrence, if y'all don't know about Terrence, he's very picky. And even though he's vegan, you know, he tries a lot of new vegetables and fruits and stuff like that. But he doesn't eat a lot. He doesn't go out a lot and eat a lot. He's just used to eating, you know, American, regular, plain food. I broke my box.
I don't know how to do this, y'all.
But he don't not eat chopsticks. But
I think it's like that. I think it's really great. Oh, I think it's like this, right?
I want to see. You never had these type of dumplings.
Nice. I like these chopsticks. These are the first chopsticks I use that actually work.
I got some chopsticks in there too.
No, these ones better. More better. More cheddar.
So we trying out the fried dumplings.
Alright, now look at that. I got to hold it. I'm holding it.
I didn't want to get sushi because, you know, that's so basic anyway. Huh? So I just got some things off the menu that, you know.
That's basic.
That is not really as, for you, you haven't tried it. You tried sushi before. So what you think about these dumplings? These vegetable dumplings? And we are going to use coconut aminos because we don't use soy. So we're not going to mess with the soy sauce. We're going to be using coconut aminos. What you think about those?
I think these Jones right. I think these Jones right. They call dumplings, fried dumplings.
Yep.
Fried dumplings, this my baby. Like these Jones. Tina be hating on my singing, y'all.
You want to pour all over because you're usually picky.
I ain't put that much, bro.
And these right here are just like I said, a bunch of fried vegetables. Like this right here is asparagus, fried asparagus and tempura. Not bad. We taste the asparagus. And we got a salad rice, which I'm not gonna eat too much of. So I've been like on like a gluten-free diet. Rice is gluten-free, but I still don't want to eat too much rice because, you know, rice is not really that good for you. You know, our thing is quinoa, and quinoa is better for you. And even with quinoa, I can't have that all the time because it's just hard to break down sometimes. So I eat quinoa every once in a while.
Stir it up, stir it up.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Stir it up. Let me see you stir it up.
So We got a couple of things going on. Like, right now we are working. We're going to help people. We're going to be helping people start their sea moss business. So that's something that's exciting that we're about to go through.
Yeah, help y'all get your own sea moss business. Y'all ain't know we sell sea moss. Click the link down below.
We will be doing gummies. It's going to be straight gummies. We're working with 50 people, and we're going to help people start their sea moss business by providing. You're going to get a one-on-one consultation if you choose to. You can get a one-on-one consultation with us, and we'll show you guys how to start your sea moss journey. And you're going to get sea moss, like a whole. So we're doing sea moss gummies. This is going to be straight sea moss gummies. That's what you're going to, when you come to Peace Love Vegan page, all you're going to see is sea moss gummies. You will no longer see capsules. You will no longer see, what else do we sell? The raw sea moss. And we've been stopped selling the gel. So all you're going to see is just straight sea moss gummies. And we're going to be selling it 500 a piece for wholesale. We're just starting off with 500. Eventually we can move forward to like 5,000 or 2,500. We'll see what happens. But we're starting with 500 right now. And you know, y'all can always keep coming back and get more and more and more. And then we'll move it up and start selling like higher quantities and more flavors.
But we're also selling single, so individual. We don't just do wholesale. But,
we don't have to do wholesale.
We were just doing wholesale for people in to start a business. That's a great business to start with. You know, job is, you know, acronym for job is just overly broke. You know, you can start it as a side income, a side hustle. You know, one income is close to 9.
Yep. I always wonder why these dumplings are like green, but the other ones be like brownish. But these are Japanese dumplings. I guess the difference, if y'all know, let me know down below in the comments if there's like a difference between Japanese and then like regular American knives, I guess.
You ain't doing no research about this before you order this?
Try tempura. One of these. It's all about taste testing. We won't get Taryn's initial reaction.
What is it?
It's fried different mixed vegetables. What
vegetable is that?
I know one of them is eggplant.
I'm scared.
Oh, this is sweet potato?
I'm scared.
It's like a sliced sweet potato. We got broccoli right here. Try this broccoli. It's fried broccoli.
I know, I'll try it.
Of course you'll try that. What you think? I gave you the best one. I mean asparagus. Whatever, I don't need broccoli. What you think? Focus.
Not bad. It's not bad. It's not like cauliflower. You know how you get.
Yeah, it's not like cauliflower.
Not like cauliflower.
Yeah. So yeah, it's not like a flour.
So like, it's rice. That's a lot of rice.
It's close to rice. You know what tapioca? You ever heard of tapioca?
Oh.
Okay.
I'm new to
and
all
this
this,
is why
guys.
we're doing this series, because we're going to be trying new foods.
I'm new to all this, guys.
Yep.
I'm going to learn today.
And it's going to be funny, because y'all going to see him. We're going to get all our reactions from him. He really tried out everything, so.
She like she tried all this.
Everything I ordered, except this. I tried. This and this. You know I always had tried that. But you don't eat stuff like this normally. So I did this for you.
No, I don't eat rice.
I'm not talking about the rice. That's the only thing out of every day that you always eat normally. So next I was thinking we're going to do Jamaican food.
Yeah, I'm on.
We're going to do Jamaican food. Then we'll do Italian. We'll see if they have anything that's, you know,
she love Italian
vegan.
food. She love Italian food. That's at 9.
Yo, my bad. The camera cut off. So I was asking you guys, leave a comment down below. What do you want to see from us? What other content do you want to see? Do you want to see pranks, challenges? Like, what do you want to see? Obviously, we're a mukbang channel and a food channel, but do y'all want to see like more family vlogs? Do y'all want to see?
They want to see us.
Doing what? What are you talking? I'm asking them like, what do y'all want to see? Like, I know I could do more grocery hauls. We did a lot of grocery hauls, but now our grocery hauls are way different from how we used to shop before. So it'll be like a big difference. So do y'all want to see newer grocery hauls? Do y'all want to see more cooking? If y'all want to see more cooking, I'll do it. If y'all really actually want to see more cooking tutorials, so just let me know what you want to see. Do y'all like this concept of, international foods that or cultural foods that we're trying? So which one do y'all want to see next? We can do Thai. We can do Jamaican food. We can do any type y'all want to see. Just leave a comment down below and we'll try out that. We got a couple of mine that we're going to do soon. But I just want to know y'all opinions because I'll do y'all's first if y'all have something different than we're already thinking.
Might actually do Indian food. Well.
So, how do you like everything? We're going to rate everything. And we're going to do this after every video of when we eat. Of every restaurant we try, we're going to rate it. So, on a scale from 1 to 10, I give it a 6. I'm going to tell you the price it came up to. So it came up to $30, which is not bad. I give it a 6. You?
Sure, this said 24, but
with taxes and paying.
Oh.
So don't even question that. What do you get it? What do you rate it? What's your rating?
My bad. I give like a 7.
7.
Yeah.
All right.
I like it.
I give it a 6, maybe a 5. So no, I give it a 6. It's okay.
I don't know why you like it.
I don't.
So. What do you like about it?
I just don't. I taste better Japanese food. I just don't
my bad.
like it. I mean, like, it's edible. So, like I said, I give it a 6. The food that we had the other time that we were doing that video was way better. But, I guess my favorite part out of all this, I don't really like the fried tempura vegetable. My favorite part was basically, I guess, the vegetable dumplings. But, I don't know, the color just threw it off. But whatever.
But you had it before.
I had fried vegetable dumplings. It was never green. Y'all. So, like I was saying, we have a sea moss gummies. We had it on sale. Maybe for this video, we'll put it back on sale. So this video, we will put our gummies on sale. We'll give you guys a 10% off discount. I'll leave the coupon code down below. You can click on it and check it out. But yes, our sea moss gummies will be on sale if you want to go get it wholesale or if you want to get it individually. You can go check out our website at peacelovevegan420.com. Oh yeah, so if you guys would like to start a CMOS business, meaning like y'all really want to start a real CMOS business, get a website, an EIN number, and everything like that, you can go hit up my other page. I will be making YouTube videos soon on my other page. But right now, y'all can follow me on Instagram, and y'all can follow me on Facebook, and y'all can follow me. Well, that's the only 2 places right now until I get started my YouTube channel. I'm actually going to take my old page, which I use for makeup, and I'm going to rearrange it and put a whole lot of credit repair videos and, just talk about businesses, starting a business, different things like that. So it's basically a finance channel. So y'all can go subscribe to that. I'll have the link very soon available. I got to work on a page. But yeah, that is it. We have other consultation too that we're going to do soon. So if you're trying to transition to a plant-based diet or you have any dietary issues that you need help with, we will have our consultations for that soon. Right now, we're not taking any people, but soon we will. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And
like I always say, you're to be vegan. Peace.